Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your friend Jim is here to share something new about English literatures. Today I have choose a topic, Age of Trident. For this video, the age comprises 1660 to 1700. Dryden was a dramatist. Let's start our video from the second slide. History of the period: 1660, restoration of Charles II. 1665 to 1666, plague and fire of London. 1667, Dutch fleet in the Thames. 1680, rise of Whigs and Tories. These are two political parties that play a very important role in the history and politics of England. 1685, James II, Monmouth's rebellion. 1688, English Revolution, William of Orange called to the throne. History is 1689, Bill of Rights, Toleration Act, Queen Anne, George I, George II, George III. Literature of the periods, not much written. 1660 to 1669, Papyrus Diary. 1662, Royal Society founded. 1663, Butler Hudibras. 1663 to 1694, Dryden dramas. Therefore, the period called Age of Dryden. 1681, Absalom's and Architopole. 1690, Locke's essay on human understanding. 1698, Collier attacks the stage. 1700, death of Dryden. Thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe, promote, like and share my channel to get more video on English literature. Thank you so much to listen and to watch the video.